Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change permission folder on Linux Ubuntu using terminal. It's very easy and simple by using this command. As you can see, chmod and the permission of user, the permission of owner, the permission of group, and the permission of others. Okay, and then the name of the folder. What does it mean? 755. 7 it represents the permission of owner. It means the owner has the permission of read, write, and execute. If you and 5 represent the permission of groups. As you can see, it means it has the permission of read and execute. And 5, the last 5, it means for others, it has the permission of read and execute permission. And what does it mean, this 4, 2, and 1? 4 stand for read, and 2 is stand for write, and 1 is stand for execute. That's it. So let's do it in practice. Okay. Where I am right now, I am on desktop. I have let's create a folder, mkdir file, folder permission. Enter. I created this folder, as you can see, this one. Okay, and let's see the permission of on this folder by using ls -l. As you can see, this folder, this is the permission, and I want to change the permission of owner and groups and others. How to do that? It's very easy. chmod and the permission of groups, for example 7, and the permission of owner, the permission of group, and others. Okay, 755, and the name of the folder permission. Enter. And now let's check it again, the permission. As you can see, it has been changed from this to this. Read, write, execute. That's it. It's very easy, and that's how you can change the permission on folder. You can change, for example, chmod and 744. Enter. Oh, I forget the name of the folder. Enter. ls. See, I change it again. That's how you can change the folder permission on Linux Ubuntu using terminal. That's it, guys. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.